Oxygen facial is one of the most popular facial in our spa for over decades already, and it gets so well known all over the world too. The reason why, because they do deliver an immediate result. So this is why I designed this a sparkling oxygen facial for you, because the pandemic situation, you cannot go to get facial, and then now you want to have something that gives you result and do it at home. So it's two steps in here. You know, the first step, I'm going to be using the instant peeling pack for exfoliation and detox. So you open the pack, and then you will find a cotton pad like that. You put it inside. Then you start to do the exfoliations, and make sure you don't get too close to your eye. So in the T-zone area, you can do it a little bit more, because you will always build up black hair, large pore on those areas. And then I will do it in my neck and décolleté too. If you're concerned about those areas, you definitely can do that. So this peel actually have Glycolic Acid GHA and then BHA extract from Willow Bark, plus the papaya enzyme. This combination can help to exfoliate all those dead skin cells, unclog your pore, prevent the bacteria build up. Plus, they are very healthy for the skin. Once in a while you do that. So after you do it for about a minute's time, so then you turn to the other side. So you turn to the other side, and then you do it again. For all those years taking care of people's skin, I saw a lot of problems for my client overusing glycolic product, or retinol or retinol. Sometimes the skin turns so red and irritated, and they don't even want to stop. I always suggest them, you can take it easy. You don't need to use it every single day. You can use it every other day or twice a week, because it's healthy to exfoliate your skin, but you don't want to overdo it and dry them. In the beginning, you will feel really good after you use it a week or two. Then your skin feel, very good. But after you use it for a long time, after a month, if you continue using every day, sometimes can cause damage to your skin. So I already did the peel, and then my skin is accepted very well. I don't turn red, and I don't have any irritation feeling. So I'm going to leave this peel on and apply the step 2 over there. But if you feel that your skin is getting red, or you are feeling that they are sensitive, then you should take it off before you apply the oxygen infusion mask on. Okay, so now because my skin is well, I don't have any problem. So then I am doing the step 2. So this is a pocket that holding the gel inside. You just need to apply it on. So this is the gel. You can see that they're coming out from the envelope. So you put it on your finger, and then you apply it on. Then you can see that they are starting bubbling. And then don't rub it off first, because that's the whole process about this facial. See, I feel all those bubbling sensations all over. This is a carboxy technique to help our skin to get brighter, to get more clear. So in here, I want to enhance this result. I choose one of the amethyst stone to help them to get better result. So I show you how to take care of it. You do it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, moving it downward. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and in here 1. You start in the middle and you bring it to the drainage and then you put it down. So now I'm going to do my eye. When you do the eye area, this is a white jade. It's really helpful for the puffiness on the eye bed. Put the white jade in here and then you bring it inward. You can do from 3 to 10 times. Then you put the J roller and try to pick up this area, because this is a saggy area. Just pick up the bone in here. Then you pick up right in the head of your eyebrow. Just 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the area we carry a lot of tension from doing our computer, our phone. Then you take care of your midbrow. Pretty much they're all in the skin already. So if you have the stone roller on, that's all you should do, to enhance the result of this facial. And actually, you will feel so good and relaxed. And then your face will get warm, from circulation, rejuvenations, and calming and relax. You really feel that you have, the facial at home. So after that, now I'm going to remove it. This oxygen at home facial for you, you can do it once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week. It all depends on your skin. I suggest, if you have more dry side of the skin, you can do it once a week. And then if your skin tends to be more oily and then large pore, so then you can do it twice a week. But if you have acne prone, you tend to break out, you even can do it 3 times a week, because it really can help you not to build any bacteria, under the skin, because the bacteria cannot grow under oxygen. Thanks for watching.